Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer images or videos or other files using Bluetooth on your Windows operating system, and from your Windows operating system how you can transfer these files to some other devices, for example Android. So I'm going to show you how you can transfer the files from your Android device to your Windows 11 operating system, and how you can transfer your files from Windows 11 operating system to your Android device. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we need to just turn on the Bluetooth on the Android device and the Windows 11 operating system. So let's start with the Android device. So I can just go to the settings, or on the top also, when I just expanded this option, I can see this Bluetooth option. I can just press on the Bluetooth option and it will be on. If you don't see this Bluetooth here, just click on the settings on the top, and then when settings option opens, you will see this Bluetooth option here. So just press on the Bluetooth here, and if it's off, you just need to turn it on. Okay, so once you have turned on the Bluetooth on your Android device, I will go to the Windows 11 operating system and then start the Bluetooth here also. So on your Windows 11 operating system, you will be able to see this Bluetooth icon when you click on this arrow button here. So I can click on this Bluetooth icon and then I can click on open settings option. And if you don't find this Bluetooth icon here at the taskbar, then what you can do, you can just click on the search bar and then search for settings app. And once the settings app result appears, you just need to click on settings, and then you will be able to see the Bluetooth and devices option here on the left hand side. So click on Bluetooth and devices option, and then you can see this is the Bluetooth option. So right now it's on. I can make it off and I can turn it on using this toggle button. Okay, so just toggle this toggle button, which is going to turn this Bluetooth on your Windows 11 operating system, and the Bluetooth name will be this one. So my Bluetooth device name on Windows 11 is desktop whatever PHSE 658. So by this name you can recognize this Bluetooth on your Android device. Right now, in order to add a new device, you can click on view more devices here, and then you can click on add device. Okay, so your Bluetooth is on, and then you can click on add device option and then click on Bluetooth here, and then your Windows 11 operating system Bluetooth is going to search for the devices which can be connected using Bluetooth. Right, so let me just show you my Android phone also. Let me just move it to this side, and you can see the device name on my Android is this one, right? And my Windows 11 operating system has discovered this Android phone, right? Now you will be able to see your Windows device name on your Android phone also. So if you don't see it here, just click on rarely used devices, and I can see this desktop PHSE 658, which is the name of my Windows Bluetooth device. You can see here desktop PHSE 658, and I can discover this device here also. Right, so once you have turned on the Bluetooth on both the devices, now it's time to pair these two devices. Right, so you can pair the devices from your Windows operating system also, or from your Android device also. Now in order to connect these devices or pair these devices, just click on the device which was recognized on your Windows 11 operating system, which is this one, and it's going to show you this kind of pin code. Same code you will see on your Android device. So when I click on connect under this device on my Windows 11 operating system, also I need to click on pair on my Android device, which is this option. So I need to click on the pair option. So you can see on your Windows 11 operating system that this device is paired, and also I can see that the Windows 11 device name is visible under paired devices on my Android also. So once the devices are paired, we are ready to transfer the files. So I can click on done here, and then I can minimize this window. So now let me first show you how you can transfer the files from your Windows 11 operating system to the Android device. So I'm going to open some folder here. So just go to the folder where you want to share your files. So let's say I want to share this picture under pictures on my Windows 11. What I need to do is I need to click on this Bluetooth icon on my Windows 11 operating system, and then I need to click on send a file option. Okay, so I will just click on send a file option, and then I need to choose the device name. So this device name is this one, so I will choose the device and then click on next, and then I just need to browse for the file. So I can click browse here, and then I can just select the file which I want to send to my Android device, and then click on next, which is going to just send this file to my Android device. So you can see this profile.png file is sent to my Android device. I just need to accept it. So I will just press on accept button, which is going to just send this file. So on my Android device, I can see under this Bluetooth, this one file is received whose name is profile.png, and it's coming from this device, which is desktop PHSE658. And when I click on this file, I can open it using any apps here, right? So I will choose this app, and I can see that this image is received on my Android device, right? Now let me show you how you can send using a Bluetooth from your Android phone to your Windows 11. So for that, what you need to do, you just need to once again click on this Bluetooth icon. So I'm going to click on this Bluetooth icon, and this time I need to click on receive a file. Okay, and you can see waiting for the connection. So let's say I want to send this file, which is this Python thumbnail to my Windows 11 operating system via Bluetooth. So I can click on this option, which is the share option at the bottom, and then I can select Bluetooth option here, which is this one, and then I can select the name of the paired device, which is desktop PHSE. So I'm going to click on this, and you can see this file is received on my Windows 11 operating system. And right now in my pictures, there are two images. So you can see this picture will be saved in the pictures folder on my device. I can browse for the destination also wherever I want to save this file, right? So I want to save this file in this pictures folder. I can click on finish here, and once I click on finish, you can see this file is available here, right? So this is how you can transfer the files from your Android device to your Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can pair your Windows 11 Bluetooth device with other Bluetooth devices, for example Android, and transfer the files from your Windows 11 operating system and to your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.